It is an undisputed fact that aircraft carriers are one of the key components of military defense. This unique vessel is more than what you might be imagining. And in this video, we will unravel every detail of the world's largest multi-billion-dollar aircraft carrier. These $4 billion aircraft carriers take several years to build. They are enormously large and span up to 1,000 feet, which is about 3 times the size of the American football field length and about 250 feet in height. The aircraft carrier has numerous military hardware features, but the design also ensures it provides the comfort that the crew on the ship will need. After all, they're going to be calling this ship their home for an extended period of time. The ship features large gym areas, grocery stores, and excellent air conditioning systems, as well as specially equipped resting and sleeping areas. A retail service specialist handles the grocery stores and other facilities. Profits generated from the sales of items go into funding activities and other facilities to boost the sailors' morale. Additionally, an aircraft carrier will have many grocery stores with several dining facilities serving about 15,000 freshly prepared meals each day. While at sea, the average amount spent daily by an aircraft carrier is $65,000.